Hey everyone, welcome to Chef Watch. My name is Shubi. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a donut with few ingredients you can find around the house. I'm going to pour 250 ml of milk into an empty bowl. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar into the milk. I'll put 1 large egg into the bowl. So I'm going to just combine everything with a whisk. Then I'll put half teaspoon of salt. I'll pour 2 spoons of instant yeast. So at this point, I'm going to pour in my all-purpose flour into the mix. This is about 2.5 cups of flour. I'm going to mix and then I'll pour more. To get a good dough, you need to add more flour. Okay, so I used 2.5 before. I'm going to add 1.5 again. You want to get to a point where your dough is not too strong and it's not too soft. It's just in between. That's what you're going to be looking for. All right, so now our dough is good. So I'm going to put in my butter to this mix. Continue to combine. You need to mix this in. I'm done mixing this with my spatula. I'm going to transfer this to a work surface. Make sure your work surface is clean. I'm going to put some flour on the work surface so it doesn't stick to it. If you feel like it is so soft, you can add flour, but not so much. All right, it shouldn't be so sticky to your palm. You need to knead this for about 20 minutes. You're going to knead this until your dough becomes elastic. Okay, I'm going to put this back into the bowl, but I'm going to pour some oil in the bowl before I put my dough. I'll wrap it with a nylon and leave this to proof for 1 hour or until the size doubles. So after 45 minutes, our dough has doubled in size. I'm going to press it. I'm going to punch it to take off the air, the excess air inside. So I'm going to take it out from my bowl and put it back on the work surface, and I'll use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. So I'm going to use my meat pie cutter to cut out a round shape. You can use anything of your choice. You can use any object in the house that has a round shape, or you can use a donut cutter as well. Please ignore this line, it's going to go off once this begins to fry. So I'll use a smaller round cutter to cut through the middle. Okay, you can use any small circle to cut through the middle. It could be the cover of a can, or just whatsoever you can lay your hands on. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on a tray and I'll gently line this up. You're not going to throw away the excess, you're going to still flatten it, cut until the dough finishes. So I'm going to cover this with a nylon and allow it to proof for 15 minutes. At this point, pour in your cooking oil into a clean pan and allow it to heat. To test if this oil is good to start frying, I'm going to throw in just a little piece of this dough into the oil. Once you see bubbles in the oil, it means the oil is ready to be used. Fry until it turns golden brown. Do not allow it to burn. Once one side fries, you can turn to the other side and continue to fry. I'm going to allow our donut to cool before I start glazing. I'm going to glaze with some sugar. You can glaze with chocolate or whatever you deem fit. Alright, this is what our donut looks like after glazing. This donut is yummy, tasty, and everything good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. Also feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Okay, until next time, keep loving, keep crushing. I'll catch you all in my next video.